Leanne Wood.
First Minister, I was interested to hear all the things that you listed happening in and around Ebbw Vale during last week's First Minister's questions. You mentioned the starter units at Lime Avenue in Ebbw Vale, planning consent having been secured for a 50,000 square foot advanced manufacturing facility at Rhondda in the town, and the refurbished 174,000 square foot derelict building at Rassaw in Ebbw Vale for the private sector. Your Economy Minister has previously said that £100 million will be allocated to the tech valleys in the area over the next 10 years, with the aim of creating 1,500 jobs. Now, what I, and probably many other Assembly members representing communities in the former coalfield area, would like to know is, what about my constituency? The Rhondda is in a similar position to Blaenau Gwent in terms of unemployment statistics and deprivation levels, yet we have been largely ignored by successive governments, and that's a fact that is confirmed by the Valley's delivery plan. So what are your plans to make sure that employment opportunities and income generation are spread equitably? And when can we expect to hear an announcement about investment in job creation for the Rhondda?
Well, thank the member for that question, which no doubt does have a relevance to tackling poverty in the way that she put it. Thank you for thank her for the careful attention she paid to what was said in questions last week, and she will have noticed that further announcements have been made this week of investments in Ebbw Vale. It's not a competition, Llwyddo, isn't it? I know the member didn't suggest that it was. Of course, there are things that we want to do in other parts of Wales. That's why the Valleys Task Force was set up, to take that pan-Valleys look at the different things that we can do in different parts of Wales, and the Rhondda and the needs of that community are certainly not forgotten in those considerations.